Dear learners, we are going to disassemble two computer cases, one with a screw and another one with a latch. To disassemble a computer case with a screw, turn off the computer and disconnect it from the power source. Disconnect the peripheral devices from the system unit. Then wear a wrist grounding strap and fix it on the metallic part of the computer case. Alternatively, you can touch the metallic part of the computer case to discharge any static electricity. Let us now disassemble this computer case with a screw. Loosen the screw at the back of the computer case and gently pull the case cover to expose the components housed in a computer case. Learners, we have disassembled a computer case with a screw at the back, and these are the components housed in the computer case. Now practice disassembling a computer case with a screw at the back. Let us now disassemble this computer case with a latch. Fix your wrist grounding strap on the metallic part of the computer case as a safety precaution measure. To disassemble the computer case, gently pull the latch and the case cover will pop. Remove the case cover and expose the components housed in the computer case. Learners, we have disassembled a computer case with a latch. Practice disassembling computer cases with a latch at the back.